Hey everybody, it's Ryan. In this video, I'm going to be going over this set of stadium seats. This is a 2-pack set, and I'm going to cover comfort, ease of use, travel, and all those fun things. Let me give you some close-up. Now, yes, this is not actually in a stadium, but from an example standpoint, this is how this would be like the stadium seats, and this is what it looks like. You got some nice couple inches of padding there, actually very, very soft, surprisingly, actually. And then this part right here folds down. You have a little spot for, let's just say, liquid of your choice that would fit a can or a bottle. You also have a zip-up area right here that includes whatever you might want to put in here, but it does have a shoulder strap if you needed to use that, if you wanted to kind of have something to put over your shoulder. This folds down nice and neat. This also has clips on the bottom, which are optional, and they fold in if you want to use them. So in a situation where they are actual stadium seats, these would kind of hook, so it would go like this, and it would kind of hook around. So you can kind of teeter back and forth on this, and it's going to kind of stay in place. This looks to be a powder-coated steel. Then you also have a rubber base here, so it's not clinking around with metal on actual metal as far as the seats are concerned. So that was an unexpected benefit. Didn't think about that until I got them. But that definitely makes it more of it adds a little bit extra layer of cushion right here, because this is sort of cushiony. This has a Velcro on it, so when in travel mode, this kind of zips down in place. The hooks right here are where those shoulder straps could go if you wanted to use the shoulder straps, but it does have a carrying handle right here. This is definitely a heavy gauge steel, powder coated steel, and it holds a good bit of weight as far as, sitting down and, kind of leaning back on it. Pleasantly surprised. Very nice quality. This is a canvas style material of some good cushion. The back also has cushion here. It's kind of hard to see it, but it's kind of sewn in cushion here, and you really don't feel, depending on the width of the person, you don't really feel this part, but definitely nice cushion stadium seat. Hopefully this answers any question you might have. Again, this is a pack of 2 that come with this, and we'll talk